Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you love a little sparkle in your eye looks, you're going to want to pay attention because we're checking out the Kiko Milano Glitter Eyeliner in shade 01 Multicolor. This is a gel-based eyeliner with an iridescent finish designed to give your eyes a pop of glitter that's smudge-resistant, so it should last through the day or night without too much fuss. When it comes to the product itself, Kiko Milano's glitter eyeliner comes in a sleek gel formula, which is a bit different from your traditional liquid liners. The main appeal here is that multicolor shimmer. It's like tiny prisms dancing on your lash line. The gel texture is creamy enough to glide on smoothly, but sets quickly, which is important for glitter products since you don't want fallout all over your cheeks. As for the smudge-resistant claim, it promises to stay put, even if your day gets a little hectic. I tested this eyeliner in a few different ways. Straight along the lash line for a subtle sparkle, and layered over a matte shadow to see how it held up. Applying it was straightforward. The gel goes on smoothly, and the color payoff is really impressive. The glitter doesn't feel gritty on the lid, which is a huge plus. One thing I noticed is that it dries down a little faster than I expected, so quick application is key. Over several hours, the smudge-resistant feature held up nicely. I didn't see any major fading or migration. One of the things I love about this liner is the versatility. You can go soft for daytime shimmer or layer it thick for a bold, party-ready look. The gel consistency makes it a little easier to control than loose glitter or foiled liners. On the flip side, if you're not used to gel textures, you might need a couple of tries to get that precise line. Also, removal is straightforward, but you do need a good makeup remover to fully dissolve the glitter particles. In terms of value, Kiko Milano generally sits in the mid-range price bracket, and I'd say this liner is justified. You're getting a highly pigmented, smudge-resistant formula that stands out against other glitter eyeliners in the same price range. Compared to other brands I've tested, Kiko Milano's offering has a more refined, less chunky glitter texture, which really elevates the overall finish. The packaging feels solid and travel-friendly, so no worries about leaks or spills in your makeup bag. Because it's gel-based, it has a good shelf life as long as the lid is closed tightly. Gel formulas can dry out if left exposed. If you're looking for alternatives, some drugstore glitter liners can achieve a similar effect, but often they lack the smooth application and long-lasting wear that Kiko delivers. This one feels a little more professional and reliable for both casual and special occasion looks. Overall, I think Kiko Milano Glitter Eyeliner is a beautiful, versatile product that's perfect if you love adding sparkle to your eye makeup without the hassle of fallout or smudging. It's especially great for those who enjoy experimenting with layered looks or want a shimmer that lasts throughout the day. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, the link to grab this glitter liner is in the description or comments below. If you've tried it already, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the shimmer and wear. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.